Motorola has announced its new entry-level smartphone under E series in the European market called Moto E22s. Talking about the specifications, the Moto E22s features a 6.5-inch HD Plus display with up to 90Hz adaptive refresh rate support, and it has a hole punch at the top center that carries an 8-megapixel selfie camera. The rear panel of the phone supports a dual camera setup at the top left corner that houses a 16-megapixel main camera with f2.2 aperture and a 2-megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. Under the hood, the Moto E22s comes powered by mediatek Helio G37 chipset, paired with PowerVR GE8220 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage that is further expandable up to 1TB via dedicated microSD card slot. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 12 out of the box, and it is equipped by a massive 5000 mAh battery that supports 10W charging. Additionally, the smartphone features a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP52 certified for dust and splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.95 by 74.94 by 8.49mm, and it weighs around 185 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The Moto E22s has been priced in the European market at €159.99, and it will be soon available for purchase in some selected European market in Arctic Blue and iqoo black color options. So what do you guys think of this Moto E22s smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to techsole YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.